A skit of Karate Kitten.
Amma, I want a pet animal. Okay, Ravi, let's go to the pet shop. Amma, look there. There is a pet shop. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, madam. Look. Amma, look. There are many animals, birds in the cages. Yes, sir. What do you want, madam? Do you have pets? Yes, madam. We have squirrels, tortoise, and birds, sir. Dogs, birds, sir, and executive. Shall I look it? Right. Look it. Why not, madam? Look it. Brown, sir, and executive. Oh, it is so beautiful. Amma, I wanted this kitten. What is the cost of it? Yes, 500 rupees, madam. Here it is. Here you are, madam. Thank you. Welcome, madam. Do you have food for my pet? Yes, madam, we have. Give one packet of food. What is the cost of it? Yes, it is 100 rupees, madam. Here you are. Here you are, madam. Thank you. Welcome, madam. Here are kitten. Thank you, Amma. Here of kitten, madam. Thank you, Amma. Welcome, Rohit.